Ready to take control of your financial future and begin investing with a trusted name in finance? Opening an investment account with Morgan Stanley is a straightforward process designed to get you started on your investment journey efficiently. The first step is to identify which type of account best suits your needs. Morgan Stanley offers a variety of options, including brokerage accounts for active trading, retirement accounts like IRAs and for 401k rollovers if you're planning for the future, and trust or custodial accounts for specific financial planning scenarios. Once you've chosen your account type, you'll proceed to the application. You can typically start this process online through the Morgan Stanley website or by contacting a Morgan Stanley financial advisor directly. The online application will guide you through a series of questions to gather necessary information. When it comes to requirements, be prepared to provide personal identification. This usually includes a form of governmentist photo ID, such as a passport or driver's license, and proof of address, like a utility bill or bank statement. You'll also need your social security number or taxpayer identification number. For funding your account, you'll typically need to link a bank account or provide payment information. This allows for easy and secure transfers of funds into your new investment account if you're transferring assets from another institution. Morgan Stanley will provide clear instructions to facilitate that process. After submitting your application and necessary documentation, Morgan Stanley will review your information. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation and can begin exploring the platform's tools, research, and investment options to start building your portfolio. Remember to explore the specific details and any minimum deposit requirements for the account type you choose. Their website offers comprehensive information, and a financial advisor can offer personalized guidance to ensure you make the best choices for your investment goals.